Hi there, I'm G, and welcome to Cozymeal Studios. Now get ready to sweeten up your dinner table with candied carrots. This dish is the perfect combination of crunchy, caramelized goodness. Brown sugar and honey create a shiny glaze that envelopes each bite. Whether you're a seasoned chef or a beginner in the kitchen, this recipe is sure to impress your taste buds and your guests. These candied carrots are so easy to make that you'll wonder why you didn't make them sooner. So let's heat up the stove and get ready to whip up some mouth-watering candied carrots. But before we begin, make sure you give this video a thumbs up, subscribe to our channel, and turn on that notification bell for more recipes from us. Now start by peeling 1.5 pounds of carrots, and then you're going to go ahead and cut those carrots into rounds. You want to make sure that you cut your carrots evenly so that everything cooks, well, evenly. Next, in a large saucepan, add sliced carrots and 1 cup of water. Bring this to a boil and then lower the heat to simmer. Cook until the carrots are tender, which should be about 8 to 10 minutes. Once they are cooked through, drain off any extra water in the saucepan. With the heat on low, add 4 tablespoons of butter, 2 tablespoons of brown sugar, 2 tablespoons of honey, and 3/4 of a teaspoon of salt to the saucepan with the carrots. Mix all of this together, then cook, stirring occasionally until the sugar has dissolved and a glaze forms. Remove from the heat and serve garnished with finely chopped parsley. And enjoy! If you want the full recipe, then check out the description box below, or head to cozymeal.com/recipes, where you will certainly find this recipe and so much more. Make sure you hit that like button and subscribe for more recipes from Cozymeal Studios. And I don't know about you, but I'm so excited to see what's coming up next. See you again soon.